Virgo, welcome to your general reading for the next 48 hours with me, Psychic Adrian. Your card just popped out. Where in the world are we connecting from? Welcome here. General reading. You've got the Strength card, which is 8 energy. It's infinity. This is deep healing, and the card says inner child healing. Time to move past any and all trauma. Unlock your potential. This is beautiful. This is you using that beautiful mind of yours to your benefit and not to your detriment. So you are using it to positively manifest that which your heart desires and that which makes your heart happy. All right, let's draw you a power affirmation card from the Oracle's Tarot deck. And you have got the Four of Wands, harmony. Beautiful. Love this. And the power affirmation here is that I am in the perfect space to receive beautiful abundance. I'm going to say that again. I am in the perfect space to receive beautiful abundance. I'm in the perfect space to receive beautiful abundance. The power of 3 will set you free. Sending you distance Reiki energy for your highest and best interest, that your life might get better and better all the time, that your soul might really feel what it means to really be present and enjoy this earthly journey in such incredible ways, in the truth and perspective of the Creator, in your highest and best interest. To accept, place your hand on your heart, take a breath, say yes, write in the comments, I am ready. Some of you all are getting into high-level commitments here, relationships, marriages, ooh la la.